Would you like to study a degree in Global Sustainable Development by distance learning, but not sure how it works? MLA College's innovative Global Sustainable Development degree has been developed in collaboration with the United Nations Institute for Training and Research and gives you the opportunity to study a unique degree designed for the modern working environment. You can register, access and study your degree wherever you are in the world. Work flexibly, when and where it suits you, fitting your studies into your life. On successful completion of the course, you will be awarded a UK degree, recognised globally. MLA College is an expert provider of distance learning degrees with years of experience. We will support you throughout to ensure you get the most out of your studies in global sustainable development. You will be supported by a dedicated tutor and become part of a diverse, global, online academic community. Join students from over 120 countries worldwide and begin your journey today.
So, what do your learning materials actually look like? Here's a very short extract of some of our learning materials that form part of the online degree in Global Sustainable Development.
On this module, we'll be exploring how human societies organise and identify themselves around the world. In essence, how do they use space? As we will see as the module progresses, space is not only a geographical concept that marks off land, be it in the forms of cities, neighbourhoods, or villages. Rather, who has, or indeed hasn't, got access to space is shaped by political, economic, socio-cultural, and even ecological considerations. The module will introduce you to the topographies of these underpinning concepts and will lay the groundwork for thinking about sustainable solutions to address inequalities that exist in the organisation of space on local, national, international, and transnational levels. But first, in this lecture, we will examine the fundamental issues of our time and what is at stake if we fail to address these now. So join me as we undertake this journey.